Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about top 8 proven ways to maintain your weight loss. Maintaining weight loss can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can keep the weight off for good. Let's dive into some practical tips to help you stay on track and maintain your success. 1. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals might seem like a good idea, but it can slow your metabolism and lead to overeating later. Stick to regular, balanced meals to keep your metabolism steady and your hunger in check. 2. Weigh yourself daily. Weighing yourself every day helps you stay on track. It's about keeping an eye on your progress without getting too caught up in the numbers. 3. Keep a health journal. Writing down what you eat and your exercise routine can keep you honest about your habits. It also helps you understand when and why you might choose higher calorie foods. 4. Stay committed to a healthy diet. Keep eating a balanced diet with plenty of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Remember, healthy eating is a long-term commitment, not a quick fix. 5. Be active. Don't cut back on exercise now that you've reached your goal. Stay active most days with a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Find activities you enjoy to keep your metabolism up and your weight stable. 6. Avoid weight cycling. Yo-yo dieting, where you lose and gain weight repeatedly, significant or not, can be tough on your body. Stick to a structured diet and exercise plan to break the cycle. 7. Be cautious with weight loss supplements. Before trying any supplements, talk to your doctor. Many aren't proven to work and could be risky. 8. Find support. Maintaining weight loss is a long-term journey. Lean on family, friends, or support groups for encouragement. Apps like MyFitnessPal, Noom, and Weight Watchers can also help keep you motivated. Staying at your ideal weight is a lifelong commitment, but with the right habits and support, you can maintain your success and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.